Days of the week.
Welcome to my channel, Fun Learning Junior.
Hi friends! Let's learn the days of the week. Let's begin. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Let's say it one more time. Sunday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday. Saturday. Let's go faster. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
If you enjoyed our video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.